COVID-19 or coronavirus. It must be a question that how it become threat to the country and rest of the world. Due to the daily routine of our running life, we almost forget which is most important to us, that is our health. This frightening scene of today reminds us of this mistake again and again.
हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए, आपको बचाने के लिए, आपके परिवार को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
But where did it all start? Let us know. This is Ontesta, and you're watching Curiosity Flow. To stay connected with us, please press the bell icon, and if you like the video, push the like button. Let's know its internal structure so that we know how it works. It can be identified as SARS-CoV-2 or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. It's an RNA virus. You can also call it as retrovirus. The genetic material of this virus, that is RNA, it is surrounded by a nucleocapsid protein which provide protection to the virus in host cell. Normal cough and cold viruses are also related with the corona family. They are identified as MERS or Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. Every coronavirus is surrounded by crown-shaped papillomers which measure up to 80 to 160 nanometer. It also possesses 27 to 32 kb positive polarity. Hemagglutinin, E protein and spike protein are the surface proteins of the envelope of the virus. So how the COVID-19 can infect human beings? It is used to believe that before infection, it attaches to the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptors of the cell membrane of host. After that, this virus is engulfed by the host cell through the process of endocytosis. No exact scientist has confirmed its exact mechanism yet. It takes control of host endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome so that it produces many copies of its single-stranded RNA and its nucleocapsid proteins. After that, it produces new viruses with the help of Golgi bodies by reassembly of nucleocapsid protein with its single-stranded RNA. And then it ruptures the host cell through the exocytosis and infect other cells. But we must know that the mechanism of action of 2019 novel coronavirus is still unknown. Now we are going to discuss how it affects human body and how COVID-19 spreads. Generally, coronaviruses are animal viruses. But due to mutation, they transform and transmit into humans. By touch or cough droplets, they transmit from one human to another. This kind of infection is called as contagious infection. Due to continuous transcriptional errors and due to jumps of DNA-dependent RNA polymerases, all the coronaviruses have high rates of recombinations so that they can easily transform themselves. So, can we stop them, or precaution is the only way? Let's just understand this by an animation. Here COVID disease persons are represented by brown dots, recovered are presented by pink dots, and healthy are represented by grey dots. Let's say each and every individual has excellent immunity and each are getting timely medical treatment. This is a very ideal condition and is approximately impossible in real life. Let's just think about that we have attempted quarantine. How would it affect COVID spread? Here we can see the moderate conditions where nobody is forced to be in quarantine. People are free to think and act. Now, as you can see, conditions are going out of control. Let the individual immunity and medical facilities to be excellent here also. Now let's just think about moderate social distancing or stop being in physical contact with any person. As you can see here, we have already stopped COVID-19 spread up to a really good extent because very less people are getting diseased, so there is a huge chance of their timely treatment and their recovery. Now let's just talk about extensive social distancing or complete lockdown. Here people are forced by the government for the extensive social distancing. Nobody can move along from their place. Here, as you can see, we are more able to stop the spread of COVID-19. So friends, if we are staying home, we are not only helping us but also to the country. If we compare all the methods, here we can see that extensive social distancing or total lockdown is the right option.
आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
Hope so you'll understand and stay at home and be safe, and also follow these